Hello and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. In today's video, we are going to learn and know about farm management. Here, the farm management. In this video, we'll discuss the importance of farm management in modern agriculture. Farm management is the application of business principles to the management of agricultural enterprises. It involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling the various activities involved in farming, such as crop production, livestock management, marketing, and finance. Effective farm management requires through understanding of the various factors that factors agricultural production such as soil fertility, water availability, pest and disease control, climate and market demand. Farmers need to make informed decision on what crops to grow, what animals to raise, when to plant, how to irrigate and how to manage their resources efficiently to maximize profitability. Farmers also need to be adept at managing risk such as weather events, market fluctuations and natural disasters, which can have a significant impact on their profitability. They must be able to adapt to changed circumstances, make informed decisions quickly, and manage their resources effectively to ensure the long-term sustainability of their farming operations. In this video, we will discuss the key aspects of farm management and provide practical tips and strategies for farmers. To manage their farm operations effectively, we will cover the topics such as planning, livestock management, financial management, marketing, and risk management. Whether you are a new farmer just starting out or an experienced farmer looking to improve your farm management skills, this video will provide a valuable insights and information to help you to succeed in your modern agriculture. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos on agriculture sector. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.